Welcome to another Simple Dad TikTok tutorial. In this video, I'll discuss the popular question, can this AI effect video you see on TikTok be reversed? If you're new here, please subscribe to see more videos like this and don't forget to like this video. So AI art has been advancing quickly and the TikTok users have noticed this. Because of this, users will find several AI filters available in the effects section of TikTok. While some filters require users to input a word or a phrase, others will superimpose an effect over an uploaded image. So these effects create a trend where users could upload a photo which is not safe for work and generate an art that blocks the actual picture. So if you search on TikTok, there is a trend going around, and that trend is called reverse AI filter. So the reverse AI filter trend on TikTok is scary and transforming what content people use as a basis of their art. After users suggested there was a way to reverse AI filters, this worried a lot of users who uploaded explicit content hidden behind the filter. So the question is, can this be reversed? The simple answer is no. So the bottom line is, there is no way to reverse an AI filter on TikTok. And there you go, you have the answer. AI art effect cannot be reversed on TikTok, and all these videos are just a meme or just made for views. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.